Hi everyone, it's Salim from South Africa. I thought I'd give you an update on my Ubuntu emergency ventilator build. So in my last video, I introduced the concept and my first working prototype. As a recap, it's a BVM-based ventilator designed for non-invasive positive pressure ventilation. So as you can see, it's been a busy 2 weeks, and I've taken that initial design and redesigned it for manufacture. So let me now take you through some of the changes. The inspiratory-expiratory ratio is now set to either 1:2 or 1:3. On the breaths per minute, I've added 2 further breaths per minute, so that's now 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. That's so that the patient can take unassisted breaths in between assisted breaths. You can now set the ventilator to both a controlled mode and an assisted mode. That's a big change. Because what happens with manual ventilators is you get, in control mode, is you get patient-machine asynchrony. So we breathe at an inconsistent rate and the machine performs at a set rate, and then it becomes very uncomfortable for the patient. So with an assisted mode, you now have a pressure sensor, and as the patient takes that breath, it triggers the ventilator to complete the breath for the patient. So you can set that trigger sensitivity to either high, which is -1 centimeter H2O, or low, which is -2 centimeters H2O. Another change to this design, it was a problem that I had with the old design that I hadn't yet sorted out, was how do we control tidal volume. So I've incorporated this hand wheel, which controls the stroke of the cylinder. So you can either move it clockwise, and that will then increase the tidal volume, or you can move it anti-clockwise to decrease the volume. Now I'm going to take you through how the machine is connected. Currently, this machine is connected to an oxygen concentrator. But in the field, it's more than likely that this will be connected to an oxygen tank. From the oxygen tank, air is supplied, and this is another feature of the machine, it's supplied via a valve, and that valve only opens on the inhalation cycle to conserve oxygen. If you look around the back of the machine, you'll see how the air connection from the valve connects to the Ambu bag. The machine uses a standard Ambu bag, or BVM, fitted with a safety relief valve. It's then connected to the CPAP mask using a normal corrugated airway. The CPAP mask is fitted with a PEEP valve, and it's also connected on the exhalation side to this airline. And this airline is then connected to the pressure sensor, which provides the trigger for the assisted ventilation mode. Okay, let's now do a demonstration. So we switch it on. It's set on 12 breaths per minute, an IA ratio of 1:2. And let's give that a listen. Going back to 1:2, and let's say 12 breaths per minute. Setting the tidal volume to a very low volume. So that's all for this update. Thank you again to all my sponsors and partners. Remember to click the subscribe button if you'd like to see more updates. Till next time.